guys, it's Ali. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys some stuff that I got in the Black Friday sale, specifically focusing on a brand called Bperfect Cosmetics. So if you guys want to see what I picked up as well as what was in my mystery bag, then go ahead and keep on watching. If I'm going to be truthful with you guys, this video was not planned. So if it does feel like I'm waffling, it's because I am. I just felt like I needed to get on camera and speak because personally, it's unacceptable. Like, Bperfect Cosmetics is an Irish company, not one that I'd really heard of before recently. I didn't really go on their website or see much of their products. It's only recently that the Stacey Marie palette has started showing up on my Instagram feed, and it looked amazing. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, seeing that palette and all the different colors and the shimmers, and it just looked good. It looked good. I'm gonna insert a picture of it over here for you guys just so you guys can see the color story. The looks that I saw people creating looked absolutely amazing. So I went ahead and followed their Instagram page, which is how I got to find out about their Black Friday sale and things like that. So they did have a couple products that were on sale, and that included the Stacey Marie palette. And I'd been eyeing it up for a hot minute. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I checked it out on Beauty Bay, but Beauty Bay wasn't really having much of a sale on it, and then I saw it on the Bperfect Cosmetics Insta. So I went ahead and picked it up. I'm not gonna open it for you guys, and the reason why I'm not gonna do that will become evident later on in the video, but this is something that I picked up outside of the gift bag. So that is the palette, and I paid £25 for it, and it originally is 36. So the palette comes with 31 shades, 4 Duo Shift pressed pigments, 3 metallics, and 2 high pigment shimmers. You guys, you honestly have to see the pictures, but that's like the color story on the back. They don't do it justice. Like, I'm just saying. I also picked up one of their mirrors. So this is a mirror that I got, and it just has Bperfect written all over it. And this I got for £8, and it was originally 15, so I kind of paid half price for it. But you know, these kind of mirrors, I don't know why, but everywhere I look, they're really expensive. And currently I just use a £2 mirror from Primark, but I wanted something with like a handle and things like that. So when I saw this, I just bought it. Like, you know, I just bought it. So those are the two things that I bought from the Black Friday sales that weren't the mystery bag. And now I'm going to talk to you guys about this mystery bag. Before I even get into it, I'm going to tell you right now that I am beyond disappointed with this bag. And I know there's going to be people in the comments talking about it's supposed to be a mystery. If you don't like it, deal with it because you knew it was a mystery when you bought it. Da 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 da. Yes, I know that. But the grievances that I have with it, I feel like are legitimate. Like, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I feel like the grievances I have are legitimate. So for anyone who didn't know, B Cosmetics had a mystery bag as part of their Black Friday sort of deal. And this is a £25 bag, which is valued around £69. So you get £69 worth of products in here for 25, which to me sounded like a steal. So I was like, let me snatch that up, especially since the Stacey Marie palette looks so good. I'm just gonna go ahead and insert a screenshot of the description for the mystery bag here. If you guys look closely, you'll see that tanning products are listed as one of the things that you could get in this bag, but it's low-key ridiculous. It's low-key ridiculous because when I tell you that the tanning products make up 50% of this bag, I'm not even lying to you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. We're gonna get into it. So the first thing I've got here is a velvet tanning mitt. So here is this, and this is valued at £6 on their website. So this is one thing that we've got in here. And then another product in here is another tanning product. So we have a makeup and tanning headband. This one is a little bit more versatile because I can use it as a headband for when I'm doing my makeup or skincare routine. But to me, it's just another tanning product. I'm not gonna lie. And this headband retails for $9.99. So we're already at like £16 with this gift bag already. And we're only 2 products in. And 2 out of 6 so far are tanning products. And lo and behold, it's another tanning product. So this is the Golden Hour Glow Filter Effect Matte Tan in the shade Sundown, which is medium dark. So this is just the self tan. And this tan retails for $14.99. So we're pretty much at the £30 mark now with the products in this bag. And honestly, I have zero use for 2 out of 3 of these products. I don't really understand why a self tan would be included in the mystery gift bag. I understand it was lifted on there, but it cuts out such a huge demographic in my opinion. Like, as a black woman, what am I supposed to do with this self tan? Somebody tell me. Someone tell me. It's just my personal opinion that if you're gonna do a mystery bag, I would kind of make most of the products usable. Like, I'm not gonna have use for a tanning mitt. I'm not gonna have use for self-tan. The headband we can get away with. But what am I supposed to do with this self-tan? Someone, somewhere, tell me. What am I supposed to do with it? I just can't, like, deal with it. And I feel like most people would have appreciated something else in here. They have so many products on their website. They've got lashes, they've got mascaras, they've got brushes. Yet somehow self-tan seemed like a good idea. And I know I've had grievances with mystery bags on my channel before, so it might just sound like I'm a complacent person and there's no pleasing me. But with things like makeup, you can argue that every shade works for every skin tone. You just gotta make it work. Like, if you got a bubblegum pink lipstick, get a lip liner. Get a lip liner, get a brown liner and make it work, sis. But there is no way that I am making a self-tan work. What am I supposed to do with this? I'm gonna say it again. I understand that it is a mystery bag and that the products in here are supposed to be a mystery. And if I don't like it, tough. I get it. I completely understand that. I just need to share my grievances. I just need to do it because there's not a single... You know what? It's okay. Let's continue with the bag because that's what we came here for. And we do have some products in here that aren't tanning products. So I am going to go ahead and pull out this pop socket that was included in here. I don't mind pop sockets. Would I have preferred a makeup brush or some mascara, some lashes, something? Yes. But, you know, a pop socket is cool. We can pop sock all the time, whatever. Do what you gotta do. And then I have a lip gloss in here in the shade Starkers. And this is part of the Stacey Marie collection as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the double glazed lip gloss. Again, not something I would have put in a product that literally anyone of any skin tone can pick up. But just for the sake of not being too complacent in this video, I will say that I'm happy that there's a lip product in here. Would I have a use for a shade like this? Probably not, but someone would. Maybe it's sheer enough that I could wear it with a liner and get a nice little nude lip going. I'm not gonna swatch it or anything just because I'm currently leaning towards returning this gift bag. I've already corresponded with the people from Bperfect and they said that's fine just before anyone kind of comes for me. But let me tell you the reason why I'm debating returning this bag. And the reason why is this guy right here. So this is the last thing that was included in my gift bag. And this is an eyeshadow palette. And it's an exclusive one and it's called Manifest. So this is what the palette looks like. That's just a color story on the back. I would open the palette and show you guys, but Bperfect do this really annoying thing where they plastic wrap all of their palettes. So I can't even show you because I'm pretty sure opening this and removing the plastic would render the product unreturnable. Is that a word? I feel like it's a word, but should I choose to return the mystery bag, this item would have to go with it, and I feel like I wouldn't get my money back if I'd opened this, and they also wouldn't send the product back to me either, so I just lose my money. I do have a screenshot from someone else's video who sort of reviewed the palette, so I will insert that right here for you guys. so you guys can see that. I'll leave a link to her channel in the bottom if I am able to find it by the time I upload this video, if you guys want to see the swatches of this palette. But it does look really nice. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It does look really nice, and I'm trying to end this video on a high note. I am. Like, I'm not hating on Bperfect Cosmetics. I'm not sitting here bashing the company or anything like that. I'm just saying that this mystery gift bag, the mystery for me is pretty much, are you gonna like it and be able to use this bag? Or are you gonna be an ethnic minority? And that's just my personal opinion. Please don't take anything that I say to heart. Like, this is just how I feel. I definitely feel like this palette is redeeming. I'm really on the fence about what to do with this. I have no idea what I want to do. I feel like returning it is a lot of hassle, but at the same time, what am I supposed to do with this fake tan? You know what? If one of you guys wants it, if someone out there has a use for this fake tan, then I would happily give it to you guys. So you know what? Just let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think that I should do. Should I just return everything? Or should I see the palette as a saving grace? I don't have a value for this palette as well, by the way, you guys. It's not a palette that's like officially released. It's only in another gift set with some lashes. Like I said, again, they have lashes that they couldn't put in this bag. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. That's pretty much all that I have to say in this video about this. The mystery bag to me is a massive letdown. It's probably one of the most disappointing product purchases that I've done in a while. And I don't know if I'm going to be shopping again with Bperfect Cosmetics, just because this doesn't make sense to me, and I tend to follow and support brands that support people like me. I hope that shows on my channel. But yeah, I feel like I've said a lot and I need to go do something productive with the rest of my day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it doesn't cause too much hate on my channel. I'm sorry if I've offended anyone. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel once again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up if you did. If you didn't, also leave a thumbs up, just because why not? Why not? Remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click that notification bell button so you guys are notified when I post. That's pretty much it for me today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.